Think you know AI? Prepare to be amazed. This is going to blow your mind.
Your boss might be a polite robot soon. Blowing your mind yet again?
In 2026, AI is essential, like oxygen, mind blown. AI will make $15.7 trillion. Yep, you heard that right, mind blown.
Solo AI bots are so last season. Mind blown vibes already. More than China and Europe combined. Blowing your mind yet? They'll team up like Avengers. Yep, blowing your mind again.
More than China and Europe combined. Blowing your mind yet?
Quantum AI solves impossible problems. Get ready, mind blown.
In just seconds, your mind is officially blown.
40% of business apps will use AI. Boom, mind blown. AI already makes over 34 million images daily. Mind-blowing stuff.
Your next profile pic? Probably AI made, blowing your mind. Robots are moving into homes and offices. Mind blown yet?
They'll do everything, except pay your bills. Mind officially blown.
AI might replace 85 million jobs. Mind blown yet?
But it creates 97 million new ones. Blowing your mind, right?
Classrooms are getting a glow up. Mind blown. Teachers can finally sip coffee in peace. Blowing your mind.
Super intelligent AI hype is cooling down, but mind blown already?
Behind the scenes, AI is leveling up fast. Mind officially blown. In 2026, AI is essential, like oxygen. Mind blown.
2026 is going to be wild. Mind blown times 10. Tag a friend, share, and subscribe. Mind blown guaranteed.